Ayush and Sara. I'm Priyanka, and I'm so thrilled to have you on this episode of Ketchup Talks on Social Ketchup. So welcome.
Subscribe to Social Ketchup now after this intro only.
Social ketchup is the best. Just squeeze it out of the bottle and love it.
Thank
Thank you
you
for having us.
This is the second season of Operation MBBS. So obviously there's going to be a graph from the first one to now. So can we talk a little bit about that without getting into specifics, of course? Uh, Ayush, anyone? Can you tell me a little bit about how, according to you at least, the show has progressed?
Sarah will answer this because I
Yes,
have a
okay.
feeling that I will reveal something.
Okay, Sarah, can
I
you tell us?
think like for me, Ankush and Anshul, I think for the three of us, I think the first year was full of like we were all naive and the first year of college, just entering into medical college. The script revolved around three different people coming from three different backgrounds, coming to a college together and what happens between the three of them.
Hmm.
But now I think for the second season, we've expanded the horizon a bit and we've started looking thoda sa outwardly. Okay, our characters have been established, but what happens to us as individuals, or like when we come together, what are the topics that we're discussing now? Is it different from season one? Yes, for sure. But what are those topics that will be something interesting to look forward to? It's definitely different from season one, and I hope audiences see the difference and they like it even more. That we've tried to take it a notch higher.
I'm sure they will. Ayush, you're safe now. You can relax.
मैं बच गया. So season two for, for Operation MBBS had to be a little different than obviously season one, and I think we've managed to do that because we are also delving a little with the pandemic over here,
Correct.
which is also there on the poster. You can see somebody wearing the mask.
Hmm.
So that in terms is so contemporary, and everyone wants to know how the struggles of doctors were during the time of COVID.
Hmm.
And because we are a medical show, I think we have the privilege, and it is our responsibility, and it is also in terms of we are lucky that we have a world and base set already. So we just have to uh, show them honestly what was happening at this end of the spectrum, because uh, after the pandemic, everyone now really knows the worth of doctors.
Doctors. Yeah.
So it just puts you on a very tight spot as to you can't show anything and get away. You have to
Hmm.
show it authentically and really, and you have to also make it entertaining and uh, balance it with fun. So it's like a lot of things which are happening over here. So I think season two, with those elements, only so many of them makes it much bigger than season one. So yeah.
And you all started shooting this in Jan. How was it? All these restrictions and precautions. Does it affect your performance in any way when you're worried about, all the stuff around?
Yeah, in the first 2 days you're a little scared. कि oh no no no, oh no shit shit shit, ऐसा सब हो जाएगा. फिर तीसरे दिन के बाद तो normal हो जाता है सब.
Okay.
So it is the initial ice breaking you have to have, like with everyone, because you don't know where he's coming from, and you don't. And our show was a very travel based show. Like we've
Hmm.
shot in Khopoli, we've shot in Panvel, we've shot in Bombay. So
Okay.
we had like different places to jump. So each time I know that each time we used to go to a new place, we used to be a little wary about it. But as in 2 days जब हो जाता था तो अपन थोड़े settle हो जाते थे.
Relax.
So it was nicer. Yeah, like that. In terms of this is my struggle. Na? Sarah might have something else only.
Yeah, no, I agree. I agree with Ayush. I think shuru mein everyone would be using hand sanitizers, taking care of social distancing.
Hmm.
2 days later, हमारे सब नंगे हैं ना. So everyone would just be like, "Acha, theek hai yaar, COVID hoga to saath ho jayega." Like that. But no, we tried to be careful. Our tests were done before we went in for the shoot, so all of us knew that we're coming, like we're all negative and there's nothing to fear, unless like an external source comes with the virus, then you can't do much. But it was a well controlled shoot with precautions that we wanted.
Thing. That's great. And I'd like to ask both of you, how do you think the kind of times we live in, the situations or the movements that we see online, how do you think they're affecting storytelling in India at least? Do you see any difference on a personal level as viewers, as audiences, and as actors?
I didn't catch the question. As in, like, what is it in?
Like, be it the Black Lives Matter movement, or anything very specific to India, where comedians are getting in trouble for making jokes and all.
Yeah. I mean, obviously,
yes.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, our society reflects what we're making, right? That's our culture. The society and the art that we're producing has to talk about the culture that's around. And if these movements are part of our culture, like the farmers movement, like what's happening to the comedians that we're putting behind bars for no reason, absolutely. So yeah, if we're not talking about what is surrounding us, then what's the point of creating art? Art has to reflect the society and the problems of the society and what the society is going through. So yes, I mean, it should definitely talk about it. Caste system, religion. I mean, you pick up one topic and you can just like delve into it so much. So yeah, art needs to talk about it, and like how our show is also doing, it is talking about COVID, it is talking about the present times. So yes, it's much needed, and I think more and more shows are being focused around topics that are relevant to us.
True. What do you think, Ayush?
With the primarily the movements which are going on in our country pertaining to that, I don't think so this show is anywhere closer to that, but I have a feeling as Sarah said, the contemporary times of COVID is something which we've delved with beautifully, I think, somewhere. So that's the only level of connect we have with our society, which is right now also. If you go to see that we're still in the middle of a pandemic only. Like it's not के बाहर जाके ऐसे लगता नहीं है कभी कभी, but चल रहा है अभी भी. Like COVID is still there and the cases are still rising. So it's that now we are just trying to reflect that. So I hope there is truth and there's honesty and people probably see the show and are like, oh हाँ yeah, I remember this, oh shit ये अच्छा ऐसा हो रहा था. तो ये वो साइड है जो हमने नहीं देखी. मतलब हम तो अपने घर बैठ के लॉकडाउन में चिल कर रहे थे, डलगोना कॉफी पी रहे थे, but there were doctors who were like they were battling it out.
Correct.
So those struggles are something which might be new for people to watch.
Okay. So in the entire time that you all were shooting for Operation MBBS, एक favorite scene if you can pick for each of you, like
MBBS 2-1
2 अभी वाला
2.
हाँ
यार ये तो फिर गलत हो जाएगा.
But you can tell me about what your character was probably feeling, or how that sort of has been for you to play that scene.
ये मैं सारा के बेसिस पे आंसर करूंगा.
No specific at all, but हाँ.
I think all of our characters, the way they have developed now in season 2, is so much more mature than what it was in season 1. So now we all have a very distinct arcs as well, and those arcs will be something to look forward to. So I can't pinpoint a scene because then I'll just be like giving away too much information. But I think the internal struggles that all of our characters have felt in dealing with the arcs that were written for us have been very, very special for all of us. And I think that will be very interesting to watch in the show as well. Go, Ayush.
I think he's mentally making points of what he can say.
I was most excited about shooting with this one person. I was so looking forward to since season one. And the minute I got on set and I was like, where is that person? Where is that person? And then finally they got that person and I was so happy. So I think that scene is the Venkat, my skeleton friend.
Oh. I actually thought there's some inspiring story coming here, but no.
So I think that scene was something I was looking forward to, where I was like, "Arey Venkat, kahan the yaar itne din se?" So that's my favorite person to like I was, because I meet Sara and Anshul pretty regularly in life, but Venkat I meet once in a year when I shoot MBBS. I have this special bond with Venkat, which was so that
really
scene
waiting to kuch, I say insight doge, but no, of course. When I spoke to you guys the last time, when we were doing interviews for the first season, and Anshul and Sara bonded a lot more because they shared like the Vanity Van and stuff. So were you able to bond with them a lot more on set this time?
Yes.
Oh my God! Yes.
I would give a testimony about that.
Yeah,
for sure. Season 2 with Ayush has been so much fun. We've really opened up with each other, and it seems like this is a friend who stays in Andheri, and we meet him on the sets. But we love this friend of ours because I think season 1, like all of us came with different backgrounds. We had never met. Some of us had done work. Some of us were meeting for the first time. Anshul and I have a Delhi connect, so that just gets us closer because we just tend to have more things to talk about. But this time, I think Ayush and me and Anshul became really close to each other. We spoke about things that we probably didn't in season 1. We shared our histories, we shared our worries, there was friendship, there was genuine friendship and genuine well spent time together. So that's something that I will take back from the show for sure.
That's very sweet.
For sure. Like from season 1 to season 2, or kuch progress ho na ho, but we've become very good friends. So it's at least so I think by season 3 we'll just start living together.
I love the jump.
I just hope.
I love how small the steps are.
Gradually हो रहा है. अपना वो तो चल रहा है time पे. So it is really nice.
That's great.
Yeah, season 3, I think finally we'll be able to go into each other's homes and eat. That still hasn't happened. Season 3 or now.
I think वो हो जाएगा अभी. The minute I think the show releases and stuff like that, and once everything gets a little freer, we'll just start coming.
So साथ खाना नहीं खाया तो क्या ही दोस्ती हुई ना आपकी?
Yeah, problem. You know what the problem which happens is that
एक दूसरे के घर नहीं खाया.
हाँ, like Sara keeps shooting, Anshul keeps shooting. Now, if I am shooting and then next day I have to go to Sara's house, I'll just be a little scared. कि यार, should I go to her house? So there are so many restrictions in these ways where you're like, okay, let's not inconvenience the other person and let's not just go, let's just be where you are. So yeah, that's why this is not happened. Otherwise this would have surely happened. Guys, please watch the second season and not keeping in mind that it's, of course, to compare it with season 1. Of course, season 1 so you have to watch, but season 2 is a lot more real. It's a lot more deeper. It's a lot more dealing with what doctors felt. and to give its due respect to doctors is very important. So I'd really like the fans and viewers to watch it with that light, thinking, ke, oh, even if you wearing the mask, you think is does not make a difference, but after watching the show, you will be like, yaar, मैं mask पहन लेता हूँ, maybe it might help someone. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
So, being responsible and taking responsibility for your own self is what I feel you should take away from season two, and that's primarily what I would love the fans to watch. And also, please give us a lot of love. That goes without saying. Like, अच्छा लगे नहीं लगे, love चाहिए, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree. Love though has to be there. That there's no like limited supply of love that we want. We want endless love. But secondly, I think after the lockdown, when like things started opening up, we saw our own lives in a new light, and I think this is what the season will also do to you. You will see the pandemic and what people were going through, how it affected them in a new, I mean, it's just going to bring back a lot of memories. So just see it with that in your heart, and I'm sure everyone's going to love it. We've made it with a lot of heart. There's a lot of hard work that has gone into it. We were shooting in very tough conditions, but this is what we love doing. And here it is for you. Now it's up to you to just shower your love. And yes, we're already excited. We're waiting with bated breath now.
Please give all the love, all the support, and keep sharing it. We've made it with a lot of heart, as Sarah said it. That's all, guys. So please watch it on Dice Media, and just subscribe, like, share, give it everything you have. Also, if you like this interview, just subscribe to this channel as well, guys. Come on,
Social
what are you
catch up.
waiting for? Come on, right now. Social catch up, do it right now. Social catch up, bhi chahiye.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys.